Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is the best of the best. Like, if you go to any of the guys of the perfumery community, you would tell that Dior Sauvage is one of the favorite fresh, citrusy, and easy to like, mass appealing, great fragrances that you can find. Everybody likes this. It's citrusy, it has a little bit of woody in the bottom, and the dry down and performance is great. Sometimes it's hard to find a fragrance that is fresh and it's gonna be a long lasting, but this one from Dior, the Dior Sauvage, this is the EDT version, so it's gonna be a little bit more fresher and citrusy. So for hot weathers, it's going to be a better deal, but it's an all-around fragrance. Like you can use this for almost everything. But I would recommend this for a little bit more of a colder and not as high heat weather fragrances, such as the woody notes could be a little bit too tough on the dry down. But if you're looking for a luxury, mass appealing that is not going to fail scent, this Dior Sauvage is a great one. This was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.